Hey everyone, welcome back to Hey Dominican. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary. I had the chance to touch and experience the new Tesla Juniper Model Y in real life, and let me tell you, if you love Tesla, this is something else entirely. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Juniper Model Y is an absolute head-turner. The sleek lines, the aerodynamic curves, this car looks like it's from the future. It's not just a car, it's the Juniper model. Y takes luxury to a whole new level. The interior is like nothing you've ever seen before. The minimalist design, the premium materials, and that panoramic glass roof. It's all about creating an experience, not just a drive. One of the standout features is the advanced touchscreen interface. It's intuitive, responsive, and packed with features. From controlling the climate to accessing entertainment, everything is at your fingertips. And let's not forget the autopilot feature. It's like having a personal chauffeur. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. The Juniper Model Y is not just about looks. It's about performance. The acceleration is jaw-dropping. You get that instant torque that makes every drive exhilarating. And with Tesla's all-wheel drive system, you get superior handling and stability. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city streets, the Juniper Model Y delivers a smooth and quiet ride. The electric powertrain is not just eco-friendly, it's also incredibly efficient. With a range that can take you miles and miles, range anxiety is a thing of the past. But what really sets the Juniper Model Y apart is the feeling you get when you drive it. It's more than just a car. It's a part of you. It anticipates your needs, responds to your commands, and makes every journey unforgettable. So, if you're a Tesla enthusiast, or even if you're just curious about electric vehicles, the Juniper Model Y is something you absolutely have to experience. It's a game changer, a revolution in the world of automotive design and technology. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving smart. See you soon.